In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF downloads to your Shopify store. We'll use Shopify's built-in files library and a simple link in your product description, so you don't need any apps. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open the Content section. Inside Content, select Files. This is your central library for store assets like images, videos, and PDFs. If your PDF isn't here yet, upload it now. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Once it appears in your list, click the link icon next to the file to copy its URL. That URL is what your customers will click to download the PDF. Next, head to Products. Choose the product you want to attach the PDF to. You can also create a new product if the PDF is meant to be a free resource, like a guide or checklist. Open the product editor and go to the description field. Decide on the text you want customers to click, such as download the PDF, or a more descriptive phrase like get the sizing guide. Highlight that text and click the insert link icon in the toolbar. When the link dialog opens, paste the URL you copied from files into the field that asks where the link should go. Below that, enter a link title. This is a short label that can help with accessibility and clarity. Something like download PDF works well. Then confirm by inserting the link. You'll see your selected text become a clickable hyperlink right inside the product description. Now save your changes. Saving publishes the updated product description so shoppers can access the PDF. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your file size reasonable so it loads quickly for customers. Use descriptive link text so shoppers know they're downloading a PDF. And consider placing the link near other important details in your description to make it easy to spot. If you want to double check everything, preview the product page and click the link to ensure it opens the correct file. If you ever replace the PDF later, just upload the new version to Files and update the link in the product description accordingly. That's it. Your PDF is now part of your Shopify files and accessible through your product page. This approach is simple, reliable, and keeps your assets organized inside Shopify.